Hadin ke jingjia syaksiat yap arpo hunringot ki brio haka kenhon ki let no Laskar i Taiba haka arpo artrek yoyong arja arpsan nakal yang usumbun menteri rangba ka jalau badai pej ka tanat kampo yeng uba prestun tensong ula pentep. Bahadu menta ka jinglong jingman haka than Khappud ka long ka bayat bej. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor haka no pai sngi jongka arpo kundai terek yoyong arja arpusan uba prestun tensong ulaong banakaliang ka Sorkar jala kalasong jialang bat ki central agency nalor ki wei bat komju ru bat ka DGP chief secretary ka jala ban pej perman halor ka jinglong jingman hak Khappud ulaong ru banakaliang ka Sorkar jala kala bathai ki noy lam snong bakin ai ka jinga trai lang bat ki central agency khnang ba ki nong wei kinom yok lat chu ban rung syakani kari bat benrap ba ka jing pej perman ka yat baro arpusau kanta bat ladadon kanu ka jingjia ka Sorkar ru kala long ka bapen khre.
No, right now, in fact, everything is in order. And the meeting with the concerned central agencies like BSF and others, we are always in touch. And the state government, the DGP, in the DGP's level, then Chief Secretary's level, we do have a meeting. We are closely monitoring the situation of the international border with Bangladesh because we knew it. The situation is very, very fluid. So therefore, even from the government side, we have already instructed all the traditional heads, the village authorities to cooperate with the agencies so that we'll be safe and then no infiltrator should be allowed at this point of time to enter the boundary of India. It is, that's what I'm saying. We do have a very close meeting with the concerned agencies, as I said, be it from the state and be it from the central agencies. And we monitor on 24/7. Okay, we monitor 24/7. In case if anything happen, again we are ready to meet all those challenges.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jingmentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.